Hey folks, exciting news! We've compiled the top 6 business products just for you. If you're keen, give us a sub for future updates. Dive into the description for all the deets and current pricing. Mueller. Don't underestimate the power of this compact blender. Its robust blades effortlessly crush fruits and vegetables, delivering smooth results in no time. Pulse your way to the silkiest smoothies. While there are larger and fancier blenders available, why spend extra money for the same functionality? This smoothie blender allows you to prepare drinks, dressings, and even baby food with a single touch. Who says maintaining a healthy diet has to be complicated? Blend and enjoy your beverages directly from the blending jar with our specially designed drinking lid. Crafted from premium food-grade, non-toxic ABS material, and boasting a capacity of up to 2 cups, this versatile blending jar saves you time, effort, and storage space. Just blend, grab, and go. It's the ideal blender for shakes, smoothies, juices, and more. Whether your ingredients are fresh or frozen, this blender effortlessly blends them into a delightful and nutritious treat. Nutribullet Ultra. The Ultra is a newer addition to the Nutribullet line, and it features a 1200-watt motor, which is not only more powerful than many other personal blenders, but a few full-size blenders as well. Despite its strong blending capabilities, the Ultra is pretty quiet. The Rapid Extractor Blade's stainless steel platform and titanium coating are strong enough to easily pulverize ice cubes as well as fibrous veggies and frozen fruits, turning them into velvety smoothies. While other personal-sized blenders can feel unstable during blending, the 4 suction cups on the base of this Nutribullet keep it in place while the blender is running. There are only 2 blending and speed settings, and instead of buttons, the Ultra has touch-sensitive surfaces. They give the Ultra a sleek look, but also make it easy to accidentally turn the blender on or off. This blender comes with 3 jars, a larger 32-ounce cup, and 2 24-ounce cups. There are also 2 to-go lids. Each jar is made from Triton Renew, a BPA-free plastic that's made with 50% recycled content. The shatter-resistant material means you can feel safe taking one of the jars with you wherever you go. Some customers wish a smaller cup size was available for even more portability, though. Nutribullet's Rapid Extractor Blades are dishwasher-safe and have a 5-year limited warranty that covers defects or failures. Ninja BN401. Elevate your blending game with the Ninja BN401 NutriPro Compact Personal Blender, the ultimate solution for crafting delicious smoothies, frozen drinks, sauces, and more. Powered by Auto IQ technology and boasting a formidable 1000 peak watt motor, this blender effortlessly pulverizes even the toughest ingredients to perfection. Equipped with 2 24-ounce to-go cups and spout lids, enjoying your creations on the go is never easier. Whether you're rushing out the door or hitting the gym, simply blend and sip straight from the cup for ultimate convenience. The compact design of the Ninja BN401 makes it a space-saving powerhouse, perfect for any kitchen countertop or even small living spaces. Despite its size, it delivers unparalleled performance, ensuring silky smooth blends every time. Whether you're craving a refreshing smoothie, creamy sauce, or decadent frozen treat, this blender has you covered. With variable speed control and pulse functionality, you have complete control over the texture and consistency of your creations. Say goodbye to lumps, chunks, and uneven blends. The Ninja BN401 NutriPro Compact Personal Blender guarantees consistently smooth results with every use. Embrace a healthier lifestyles and unleash your culinary creativity with this versatile kitchen essential in stylish cloud silver. KOIOS. This personal blender features 2 BPA-free 23OZ blender cups and 2 to-go lids. Portable hooks add extra portability for carrying to the office, gym, class, car, or in your bag. All parts are BPA-free to ensure healthy drinking. The electric blender only works when the mixing cup is properly pressed down. Cooling fan on the bottom and the back dissipates heat quickly. 4 non-slip silicone pads keep the food blender balanced while working. Cups and lids are dishwasher safe. 90-day return policy, 24-month replacement guarantee, and lifetime technical support. Just try it risk-free. This small blender has a 304 stainless steel 6-leaf blades which can crush ice and frozen ingredients with ease. Turn even the toughest foods into nutrient-rich juice, shakes, and smoothies in 10 seconds. The removable blade assembly can easily be cleaned by simply rinsing with tap water. Its peak power 900W smoothie blender for shakes with upgraded all-copper turbo motor pulse technology. 23,000 RPM high speed, faster and stronger, but just as simple to use. With a simple press, this mixer blender lets you whip up drinks, dressings, and even baby food. VEWIOR. This blender for shakes and smoothies that comes with two 22 Oz 650 ml portable cups and includes two travel lids, adding portability for on-the-go use. All parts are BPA-free to ensure healthy drinking, allowing you to enjoy tasty and nutritious homemade beverages wherever you go. The blender for kitchen features powerful pulse technology, activating the motor to rotate at high speed when pressed, with a maximum rotating speed of 25,000 RPM, ensuring the perfect drink is ready within 10-20 seconds. Simply press and hold the smoothie blender's cup to immerse it in the stirring process. While most kitchen blenders on the market have a 4-leaf gearless blade, the VEWIOR personal blender has been upgraded to feature a comprehensive 304 stainless steel 6-leaf gear blade design. This design allows for easy blending and nutrient extraction, turning even the toughest whole foods into nutritious shakes, smoothies, and nut butter in just 10 seconds. For cleaning, fill the personal blender cup with 3-4 clear water and a few drops of liquid dish soap, then shake and press down for cleaning. The blade is partially removable and can be rinsed with tap water. The cups and to-go lids of the blender for shakes and smoothies are dishwasher safe. With a powerful 900W motor, the VEWIOR personal blender ensures fast mixing. The 6-leaf blade is suitable for making smoothies, juices, shakes, baby food, ice cream, and protein drinks. Dash Mighty Mini. Upgrade your blending game with the Ninja BN401 NutriPro Compact Personal Blender, the ultimate solution for crafting delicious smoothies, frozen drinks, sauces, and more. Powered by Auto IQ technology and boasting a formidable 1,000 peak watt motor, this blender effortlessly pulverizes even the toughest ingredients to perfection. Prepared with two 24-ounce to-go cups and spout lids, it's never been easier to enjoy your creations on the go. Whether you're rushing out the door or hitting the gym, simply blend and sip straight from the cup for ultimate convenience. The Ninja BN401's compact design makes it a space-saving powerhouse, perfect for any kitchen countertop or even small living spaces. Despite its size, it delivers unparalleled performance, ensuring silky smooth blends every time. Whether you're craving a refreshing smoothie, creamy sauce, or decadent frozen treat, this blender has you covered. With variable speed control and pulse functionality, you have complete control over the texture and consistency of your creations. Say goodbye to lumps, chunks, and uneven blends. The Ninja BN401 NutriPro Compact Personal Blender guarantees consistently smooth results with every use. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channels and hit the bell icons to get notified of our new videos.